Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my, what is this, mini vertical that I use now as my everyday planner. And this is how it's been decorated using the newest Teacher Florals planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up for the week and then take you day by day as I fill it out. Let's get started. I always find it easier filling out a planner once I've taken it off the disc. So let's see, we'll do dinners over here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Monday night dinner is honey garlic chicken. Wow, I did not leave enough room for myself. And then Tuesday is beef and broccoli. Oh, I'm actually really excited for dinners this week. And then honey garlic chicken, beef and broccoli. Then I haven't decided what we're going to do for Friday, Saturday, or Sunday yet, so I'm going to leave that as is. And then Monday, I have to do the meal plan and order groceries. And then I also have my physical at 1:30. And then Tuesday, I don't actually have a huge list on Tuesday, but I normally say that my husband's gonna mop the floors that day. I need to get on with the fact that he likes to do the floors on Wednesday. So mop floors. And then Thursday, nothing as of yet. Friday, I haven't decided if I'm going to, I think I will. I'll put the grocery pickup for Thursday night. Grocery pickup. And then leave a to-do list for that day. And then Saturday, Henry has his not horseback riding. Hello, he has wall climbing. And then Robin has her horseback riding. And then we have no other plans really. It's more just like to-do lists of fold laundry. Woohoo! And then here I have to do bed linens, bathrooms, what else is there? Hello, windows and vacuum, and that's my husband. Bathrooms and cabinets and appliances in the kitchen. And then I have to prep my lunch. All right, so that is getting it ready for the week. That's what I know to put in there so far. And then I will take you guys day to day as I fill it out. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's now Wednesday. It's been a crazy couple of days for me for work and things, so I haven't had a chance to really film, but I'm just going to go over what I've been able to do each day. So on Monday, I did go ahead and meal plan and order the groceries, and the groceries will be picked up on Thursday night between 6 and 7. And then I also managed to clean the kitchen cabinets and appliances on Monday night as well. And I had my physical on Monday afternoon. And then Tuesday, I was able to make an ultrasound appointment for Saturday. So that's what's happening there. And I don't remember if you guys can see that I actually added an extra sticker here just for the appointment. And then I actually removed something in here. So Saturday is Henry's wall climbing still, Robin's horseback riding, then a very quick puppy play date before I head to my ultrasound appointment. And originally I had fold laundry in there, but I thought, you know what, let's get a really cute sticker from the household sticker book to commemorate folding laundry. And then I also had my husband on Tuesday return my library book. And then today, Wednesday, let's check that off. It's garbage day. My husband has to mop the floors, and then I got my planny thing. I don't even know how to pronounce it, box, which I will be unboxing on Sunday. By the time you guys see this video, you will have already seen the unboxing of this, but it came in the mail today. I'm so excited. All right, so that is a recap of Monday, Tuesday, and today, Wednesday. If I don't see you tomorrow, maybe hopefully Friday. I've got half the day off on Friday. It's been a crazy week at work, so I really needed like at least half a day off. Ooh, all right. I feel like by putting that quote down, it was kind of like a precursor to how stressful it's been, but whatever. All right, see you guys. Hey guys, so it's now Friday, just checking off what I did yesterday. Well, not yesterday, but my husband mopped the floors on Wednesday. And then yesterday I did do my grocery pickup. Today I went to T&T and I bought my favorites, of course, the coconut buns, taho. If you're Filipino, you know. And then I bought some mangoes. Ooh, I have mangoes. And the Yakult for my kids. So T&T shopping. And it really was just an afternoon for myself, so that was fun. So nothing too much today. I just had the afternoon off and I decided to go to T&T. I did some filming today, but really it was just a relaxed day. I've been feeling like I need just to sit and read and just do nothing. Tomorrow is actually... What also happened is that we got a call to say that unfortunately Henry's wall climbing has been canceled. So I'm pulling out some stickers from the Joann's Mega Sticker Book because they've got some canceled stickers in here. And it really sucks because Henry loves wall climbing and I feel really bad having to tell him that it's been canceled. Do they have canceled stickers in here? I'm sure they do. No. Oh, there they are. So yeah, unfortunately it's canceled. But Robin still has her her horseback riding, and we've got a puppy play date, and I've got my ultrasound and mammogram. Woo! And then I have to fold laundry. So very exciting Saturday coming up. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is now Sunday. So let me just take you through what happened yesterday. So yes, Henry's wall climbing was canceled, but I did take Robin to her horseback riding. And then we went on a quick puppy play date. And unfortunately I don't have any pictures because it went by so quickly. We were only there for like half an hour. But Lucy was like a completely different dog. She was running around and zooming, and like the first time she was there she was so scared and timid and she just sat by my feet. The second time she, you know, would walk up to other dogs and sniff them. Today she was running around with the rest of them. So it's amazing what just a few exposures and socializations can do for a puppy. So we only stayed there for a little bit, and then right after I went to Century Park for my ultrasound and mammogram, as you can see here. My first ever mammogram was it, and I think it was Elizabeth E Joyful Plans who messaged me. She's like, yes, it's like your rite of passage as an older woman. So yes, my first mammogram. And then came home, I folded laundry, and then for movie night we watched that movie. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, The Mitchells and the Monsters, on Netflix, and Henry picked it, and it was actually a really good movie. And then Rob and I, once the kids go to bed, we have our own movie night, and we decided to watch the Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society. Like, I love that movie. Love that movie. So that was a good movie last night. And then today I have done the bed linens, I have done the bathrooms, I have not yet done the cabinets and appliances. I will do them tonight. My husband is actually, you can hear him, in the process of vacuuming. He has done the window, so I'm going to check that. And then tonight I have to actually prep my lunch and my dinner, so I will be doing that later today. But I really love the overall look of this. I like the checklist with the boxes. I like the flags to signify little events. I just really like the layout of the vertical, and I think I could really get used to this. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.